the success key is consistency.
Yes.
Nothing else.
Maybe, Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm very good, Pooja. How are you?
I am also good.
Very good. It's nice to see your smiling face.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so how have you been?
I am doing awesome, ma'am.
Okay, what do you do, Pooja? Are you a student or are you working somewhere? You look like a student.
Okay, but right now I am not a student. I am working somewhere.
Okay, where are you working?
I am working at home, work from home, and as a backend executive in the organization.
Yeah, what is your work? Something to do with manifestation?
Yeah, also I do. I started this manifestation work. Actually, from this I help to means I counseling to other people, other students who is in depressed mode, who is in fear, like that.
Who are students who are
Okay, who are students?
Students are okay. You help students or you do counseling for students.
Yes.
So manifestation, okay, it involves counseling.
Yeah, manifestation is like means if in like in depression mode or in like fear mode, and some people have no confidence to speak to other people in front of
Yes.
people, many people. So for this I started. I am only working slowly, not gradually on this place. And so I am starting this side by side. Also,
Okay.
I am working professional, so that's why.
So
Actually, it feels good for me whenever I help to other people. So it feels
yes. It feels good. It feels good whenever you are able to help other people.
yes.
Very good, very good. So from right now, you have this understanding, or you have this sense that one can feel good by helping others.
Yeah, right.
Yes. They say that real happiness comes
That's right.
from helping others.
Yeah, true. It's
And
true.
without expecting anything in return.
Yes.
Wise people, great wise people, they say that if you are able to help somebody without expecting anything in return, then the joy and the happiness that you get from that is immeasurable.
Yeah. Yes. True.
Very good. So you have studied psychology?
No. Actually, I had studied NLP practitioner, neuro-linguistic program.
Neuro what?
Neuro-linguistic program.
Neuro-linguistic program. Okay.
Yes. From I had started from 2021. 2021. From there, because I had also faced so many depression and anxiety and fear for myself. So I recovered. I recovered from there. I recovered from depression to confidence. I built that, and from that studying that how mind works, means how you can, means we think about, if we think about problems, then all time you get problems, means it happens. So you have to solution oriented. When you think like that, when you change your mindset thought process, when you think
Yes.
like that, means you have to ask a right question. That
Right.
you don't ask why this is happening to me. If you ask, what should I do for this situation? Then
Yes,
suddenly
yes,
our mind gives a solution, because our mind is so powerful. We can't imagine that. So we have to work on our mindset. When we work inner strength, when we work inner weakness, then we get out. When then we get something from outside. So
yes.
it really necessary to everybody to change our
For
mind.
everybody. It's necessary for everybody
It necessary for everybody to change to change their mindset
to change their mindset.
through thought process, through changing their thought process.
Thought process from negative to positive.
Positive, yeah, right.
From negative to
Yes.
positive. So, Pooja, what process, like, did you get help from outside before you could, sort of understand that the thought process in the mind should change? When you were going through these bouts of depression, were you helped? Did you seek help from outside, or how did you understand, this psychology of the mind, how your mind works? How did you get into that?
Okay. Actually, first, from when I was in depression, I was in fear, like what will happen in future, because I was from the year 2021, I was not working. I
Mhm.
had also no money in my
Mhm.
bank account. Actually, I had only rupees 0.75
Okay.
just
Okay.
only. And I just go through the ad, NLP. I just scrolling the Instagram, and from there I found NLP practitioner program. Actually, I didn't know the
Didn't
that
know,
program.
didn't know, you did not
Didn't
know,
Yeah,
you did not know.
I did not know the that program. And that price was, the charges was like 12 to 13K. But I had no money. But that time I changed my mindset. I know I had no money, but I thought that I have to do, because if I don't do right now, if I did not do right now, then it will not happen to change. So from that I started, and I arranged money, and I started. And then I learned about NLP, how mind works. Means when I went to in this process, I started meditation.
Okay.
And yeah, I started meditation. I started to think. I started that how mind thinking process goes. Because when you
Okay.
think, when you are thinking mode, then you will get some feelings. Okay.
Mhm.
And from that feelings you have to take action. Because sometimes what happen, many people only think, not
Yes.
only think, and feeling that emotion. But
Yes.
from that they are not taking action.
Yes.
When I know it's tough that to achieving that bigger goals, but you can start from a
Scratch,
smaller step.
scratch. Or
Yeah,
yeah, you start by taking tiny steps in to
yes.
start with. Tiny
You
steps.
Yeah, you are going to take tiny steps, and you will definitely achieve a bigger goal. So from that I was I had started a YouTube channel. As
Okay.
my YouTube channel name is Foodie Funda. And
Foodie
from there,
funda.
yeah,
Foodie funda.
yes,
Okay.
I was cooking the food, and shooting a video and upload on YouTube. So I was started, because
I
first
started.
I
Pooja, I
started.
started. Not was, I started.
Okay, I started. And from there I started, but I did not take any action. Means I was thinking like might be 1,000 subscriber, 1 lakh subscriber. Means in a one day, like
Okay.
our mind works like that. Means
Yes.
grab all at once. Grab
Yes.
all.
Yes. 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 Grab all at once.
Yes. So
Right.
from there I started. Then I found the NLP, and then I started a tiny step. I started a tiny step
I
to.
started by taking tiny steps, or
I started.
I started with tiny steps.
Okay. I started by taking tiny steps to upload a YouTube video. Upload a YouTube video on daily basis. So
Okay.
from there, I started taking the action, and from there, my mind was changed because one day my one video went to viral. Okay,
Okay.
one video.
Okay.
So
Okay.
from there,
Wow.
yeah, actually,
Wow.
I just upload that video. I did not expect anything that I will get in return. From in the beginning, when my mind was not changed, then I was expecting all time expecting to everybody that maybe some comment will come, maybe means something like that. So
Mhm.
my mind was changed, and when the video was
Went viral. Went
went viral.
viral.
Yeah, my video went viral. Then then from that I thought, okay, means this is the process. Means process is if you want success in life, then you have to take a tiny steps action, and in consistency basis. So the key is the success key is consistency,
Yes.
nothing else.
Maybe, take small actions consistently.
Yes.
Take small actions consistently. Okay, so Pooja, today, of course, there is a topic. Would you like to talk on this? Bucket list.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Definitely.
So, what is there in your bucket list?
Okay. First of all, I would like to tell that I have a 10,000 bucket list.
Wow.
It's
Wow.
because there is
You
a
are
lot of.
you are very ambitious. Very ambitious. Great, Pooja. All the best to you. Yes, tell me a
Thank
few.
you, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
tell me.
for few, I will tell you that there is the lots, means 10,000 definite, and gradually when I achieved this 10,000 bucket list, then I will go through the 1 lakh bucket list. I was
But tell me
planning,
the
I am
first.
planning.
Tell me the first
First
one.
is,
The
first
first
one
one.
is I want to see a one day sunset and sunrise in one day. Uh, I
Okay,
want to
sunset, both
sunset
sunset and
both.
sunrise in one day.
Yes.
That's not difficult, Pooja.
Yeah, yes, it's not difficult, but from if I say that I'm not means I am living in Delhi, so it's not possible because right now it's a raining day.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's not, but yeah, I am doing. And second thing is like I want to flight. I want to I want to what should I say, means flight airplane.
Aeroplane. You
Yes,
wish
yes,
to
yes.
become a captain
No,
of
no, no,
the
no. No, I want to means uh, I want to
fly
go
in the go
fly in
somewhere.
yes. Go somewhere from flight.
Okay. Travel by flight.
Yes, I want to travel by flight. So this is my wish, and this is my bucket list. And currently, I done it. I had the first time I was traveling alone by flight. I was traveling alone in at flight.
By flight. Okay. Yeah, or I flew for the first time. I traveled in a plane all by myself. You went by flight. You went from one place to another by flight or in an airplane all by yourself, all alone.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how was the experience? Flying
It
by the...
was. It was great experience from when I was because first time I was traveling, and from there I learned something. I
What?
learned something. Yes, I learned something that when the flight take off, then all thing means vanish. Okay, all thing vanish means when flight take off, then flight means it's light means everywhere you see a cloud, and lightweight means you feel a peace. You are in peace mode. So
You are in
from
peace
there,
mode. Okay.
yeah,
You
from
didn't
there I
you
learned.
didn't have any anxiety first time flying?
No, I actually first time, yeah, actually didn't, but I experienced that moment actually when I was when I was traveling, and the flight was taking off. Then I learned that then cloud is empty, okay, and there is lots of peace. When you think like that, then I thought, okay, my means our mind also work like that. When you
Yes.
stop all the baggages of negativity, ego, and lots of things, then you whenever then means when your mind is in peace, then you will do anything in your life and achieve anything in your life. So
Very
from that
good, very good, Pooja. It has been wonderful, really, really wonderful talking with you, and a great learning experience. Even for
thank you,
me
ma'am.
also, I also do meditation every day. And of course,
Okay.
at my age, I've gone through lots of experiences and
Yes.
have learned a lot through that. But then I know meditation helps you a lot. And
Yes. Right.
talking to you, Pooja, I mean, a young, mind working in such a positive way, so constructive and so positive. And I'm sure, there must be an aura of positivity around you, and
Yes.
people should be happy, connecting with you.
Yes. Right.
So Pooja, all
Yeah.
the best to you. I mean, I wish that you achieve most of the items in your bucket list and
Thank
keep
you. Thank
adding
you.
also, keep adding
Yes,
more.
definitely.
Yeah. So do you belong to Kolkata?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, my born up and brought up is in Kolkata.
You were born and brought up in Kolkata.
Kolkata. Yeah.
Okay. But now you are living in
Delhi. New
Delhi.
Delhi.
Okay. 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 You moved to Delhi. Right.